Kindy 15-2A. Numbers. 1. There is one apple. There is one apple. 2. There are two cars. There are two cars. 3. There are three leaves. There are three leaves. 4. There are four cats. There are four cats. 5. There are five fish. There are five fish. 6. There are six cups. There are six cups. 7. There are seven stars. There are seven stars. 8. There are 8 ducks. There are 8 ducks. 9. There are 9 bags. There are 9 bags. 10. There are 10 ice creams. There are 10 ice creams. Goodbye.